Jesus put an end to this whole idea of who can and who can't. And by that, I've said many times, he could have chosen Peter, John, any of the disciples to be at the tomb for the angels to say, go and tell the disciples he is risen. He's not here, he's risen. But he chose Mary Magdalene, the least credible person, at least from what history has painted her as, to be the messenger. And I'm not saying I'm not a feminist, but I'm not going to have certain things just run over and covered over because you don't like it. It's in the book, whatever that is, deal with it. And that's God's way. God doesn't say, is this okay with you? God says, this is my word. You take it or you leave it. There's nothing in the middle. And you don't parse the parts that you like and reject that which you don't. Otherwise, you have just created the Jefferson Bible.
To this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down before Him.